Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Study World Academy. I hope you are doing well and are in the best of health. The topic of today's video is how to find the square root of a number without using calculator. So the question arises, why do we need to find the square root of a number without calculator? Well, the answer is pretty simple. In almost all competitive exams, the candidates are not allowed to take the calculators or any other helping machines with them. So if someone is not able to perform basic calculations without using any helping machine, he won't be able to perform well in the exams. So without wasting further time, let's get to the task. Our target are numbers whose perfect squares are not readily available. Let's say 22, 23, 19, 17 and so on. Today I'm gonna solve some problems for you. The first one is square root 21. The method we are going to use contains two numbers, one below the number that has a perfect square and one after the number that has a perfect square. So in case of 21, the number below 21 that has a perfect square is 16 and the number after 21 that has a perfect square is 25. I want you to know the square roots of these numbers. The square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 25 is 5. So we know that the square root 21 lies between these two numbers, but we want to be specific. That is not the answer to our question. We don't want this a large range. We want a small number, a decimal number. So to obtain that, we need to count the numbers between 16 and 25. As we know, there are 9 numbers between 16 and 25. So if we divide it by 2, the half of 9 is 4.5. So our assumption says that the square root 21 lies somewhere near 4.45 because 4 is the previous number and this is the half of this interval. This 4.5 is a half of this interval. So the common sense says that the square root has to lie somewhere near 4.45 for this 4 and this 4.5. Okay, if you want to be more specific, then we need to know that our given number is close to which side this is closer to. So 21 is closer to 25 or is it closer to 16? So it is very clear that 21 is closer to 25. So the square root of 21 is going to be more towards 5. So the answer is going to be like 4.58. This is the assumption, this is the approximate answer that we have concluded. Let's insert the numbers in the calculator and see what is the accuracy. So the under root 21 is 4.58, sorry. You can see that the answer is exactly same to the answer that we have found. There might be a little inaccuracy or the error, but that is not a big problem. Okay, let's move to the next problem. We can solve any number. I am taking just random numbers so you can understand. Okay, we can take the next number 33. We need to repeat the exact same process that we did in the previous one. So what is the number below 33 that has a perfect square? The number is 25. And what is the number after 33 that has a perfect square? The number is 36. Now again, what is the square root of 25? It is 5, everyone knows. And the square root of 36 is 6. So again, we have got a range of numbers in which the square root of 33 can lie anywhere between 5 and 6. We need to be specific, so we count the numbers between 25 and 36. So there are 11 numbers between 25 and 36. Half this number, 11 divided by 2, we get 5.5. This 5 and this 5.5. We get 5.55. Now if we want to be more specific, the answer is closer to 5.55, but we want to get more close to the answer. We want more accuracy and more precision. If we want that, we want to see that 33 is closer to which side? Is it closer to 36 or is it closer to 25? So we can clearly see that 33 is closer to 36. So the answer will tend to move towards 6 side. So we need to increase 5.55 a little more towards 6. We can say that 5.79, because the 33 is more towards 36 side. So this is going to be our assumption. Now let's get the calculator, insert the numbers and check our accuracy. Under root 33, the answer is going to be 5.74. So you can see that the exact answer that the calculator gave us and the answer that we found are almost exactly same. Well, I know that this is not going to be case every time. There has to be some error and inaccuracies, but that happens. This accuracy, this extent of accuracy is more than enough in competitive exams, because they also know that the students have not got any machines with them. So this is going to help you a lot in your competitive exam and in your normal exams as well. So best of luck and thanks for watching.